Diamonds are carbon. And carbon is black. Diamonds are definitely not black. Aha! You shall see. Air is mostly nitrogen. Nitrogen. Nitrogen atoms are written as N. Nitrogen atoms bonded together in pairs are written N2. Yes, nitrogen goes around in pairs. The bond between two nitrogens is a sharing bond called a covalent bond. Let's put strong. Metals cannot covalent bond. Non-metals can. When covalent bonds happen, you get a molecule. Between one N2 molecule and the next N2 molecule is the weak forces called van der Waals forces. Van der Waals. A little bit of editing. Nitrogen freezes at 196 degrees Celsius, minus 190 degrees Celsius. Celsius is also known as centigrade. Centigrade. At minus 196 degrees Celsius, the van der Waals forces make nitrogen into a liquid. Liquid nitrogen is cold. Above minus 196 degrees Celsius, nitrogen is broken apart into trillions of N2 molecules. Yes, the van der Waals forces are easily broken between one N2 and the next. Yeah, so air is full of N2s. 80% of N2s. Because there's 20% oxygen and other bits. Most non-metals have molecules made of two atoms. They are diatomic. Diatomic. Di means two. Nitrogen makes diatomic molecules N2. Oxygen atoms covalent bond in pairs to make diatomic N2. Billions of carbon atoms making one molecule is called a diamond. Diamonds molecules are called giant molecules because they are made of billions of atoms. Giant molecules of diamonds have 4 covalent bonds for each atom, so diamonds are very hard solids. Yes, 2 molecules can float around in the air, just 2 of them, because they're light enough to float around if there's only 2, whereas billions of molecules too heavy to float around in the air. That's why your mum's diamond ring is a solid and it doesn't float around. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. All bonds in diamonds are strong covalent bonds. Each carbon has 4 bonds in 4 other carbons, so it looks like a mess if you draw it. Scientists make 3D models of diamond molecules using toothpicks and balls of the soft plastic called polystyrene. Polystyrene. Or you can use blue tack. Diamonds are made from carbon buried deep in the earth where it is very hot and there is lots of pressure. Man-made diamonds are called synthetic. Synthetic diamonds are made in factories by crushing carbon at high temperatures and pressures and temperatures. Tiny synthetic diamonds are on the diamond cutting wheels you can buy in a hardware store. Carbon in your pencil is called a lead because it looks like lead. Yes, lead is a shiny metal that's black And pencil leads are shiny and black, but not metal. Pencil leads are made of graphite. Graphite is another form of carbon. Yes, it's an allotrope. Pure carbon can be diamond or graphite or graphene or buckyballs. Diamonds, graphite, graphene and buckyballs are different arrangements of carbon atoms. They are allotropes of carbon. Allotropes. With enough temperature and pressure, you could make diamonds from the graphite of a 6B pencil. Yes. To make the small diamonds for cutting wheels, they use a great big machine that goes slamming down like a big hammer. And it makes a sudden amount of temperatures and pressure, and you get tiny, tiny diamonds. But nowadays you can grow big ones. On Saturn, the temperatures and pressures are high enough that it rains diamonds. Diatomic molecules have two atoms that have a strong covalent bond between them. But the molecules are only weakly bonded together by van der Waals forces. A little heat breaks the van der Waals forces so that diatomic molecules are gases at room temperature. N2O2H2, yes. Oh, and Cl2, which is chlorine, which is the gas used to kill people in the First World War. Diamonds are billions of atoms covalently bonded. A diamond is a giant molecule. Cool! Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe,